Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do our first question for this examination preparation pack, which is question 111. A baker kept a record of the number of loaves of bread a tuck shop ordered daily over the last 18 days. The information is shown in the table below. So this is the information we have here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 2, which is 18 days. Calculate the mean number of loaves of bread ordered daily. So we're calculating the mean here. How do we calculate the mean? Okay, the mean, we say the sum of the data items. So it is the sum of the data items. So you're adding all these 18 numbers here divided by the number of the data items. Okay, so you're going to say 10 plus 11 plus 13 plus 14 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 18, or plus 18 times 2 plus 19 times 2 plus 20 plus 21 plus 35 times 2 plus 37 plus 40 plus 41. You can even use your calculator for this. Okay, you get all your marks right now. So we say the total, if you add everything, you get 396, and then divided by 18. Okay, and then we get that the mean is 22 loaves. Okay, yeah, that's the answer there. Right, I'll show you how to calculate the standard deviation, correlation coefficient, and also how to find the equation of the regression line using the calculator. That will meet when we're doing our question 1.1.2.